waiting for the ride at the end of my wrongs. At the end of my wrongs.